How to add a new user on Linux Ubuntu 18.04. So basically I'm using a Mac, but I will provide you a code on how to do so. To add user on Ubuntu via command line, first open up terminal and execute add user command with username as an argument. For example, I can show you a command prompt here. All you have to do is simply copy it and paste it. For example, you can see there is add user command will create a new user with username Lubos. Accept the password. Any additional requested information is optional. If you do not wish to add any information, simply hit enter key. Now, once the new user is created, you can log into GUI using user's new credentials or obtain the user's command prompt via the su command. Yes, adding user on Ubuntu Linux is simple as this. You may now wish to add your new user to a pseudo group to gain administrative privileges. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.